solid performance by San Sebastian in the first set, beating TIP by 3 points. At ito ang mga numero doon and sa kanilang magandang panalo at magandang simula laban sa Engineers.
Better performance in terms of offense para dito sa Ladies Tag, scoring 13 as opposed to only 8 of TIP. Pero pagdating naman sa blocking, halos pantay lang sila. Ang isang naging problema ng parehong koponan actually, Coach Ronnie, ay ang kanilang reception. That's why both teams, itong San Sebastian scored 4 points, ang TIP may 5 points naman. But both teams able to manage their errors at 7 each. Pero yun nga ang nangyari, nagkaunahan din sa bandang huli, umusad lang ng mas mabilis itong San Sebastian.
And I believe majority of the service reception mistakes ng TIP happened in the latter part of that set. Kung kaya't naging mas masakit sa kanila, yung sa San Sebastian naman, doon sa bandang gitna. And eventually, San Sebastian had enough power and stability to be able to hold forth and win their first set of the Collegiate Conference. Ang tanong, ano ang balik ng TIP? Ang isa pang tanong, masusustain ba ito ng Ladies Tags?
Yan ang palaging nagiging question, no? How to sustain that same momentum, that same energy. At dahil dito, kung titignan natin, it looks like unevenly matched.
Pantay na pantay, no? Kitang-kita mo materyales, laro. Now, Layog, who had a late entry in the first set, starting out the second set, looking for more offense, looking for more firepower, pero sabi mo nga, kailangan remedyohan at ayusin yung kanilang pag-receive.
Ang nangyari, nawala yung panapos ng TIP in the first set.
Only 7 errors total for both teams. Each. Not bad. Not bad. Highly efficient na kanilang pinakita. Ito na si Layog, yung pamato sa offense ng TIP. Backset.
Magandang hugot sa kanya kanina. Unang pasok pa lang, puntos agad ang maibigay.
Pero ngayon, hindi na hugot yan. Starter na siya dito sa second set. Villegas is probably playing her finest game on offense.
Yeah, and also, on the floor, pinasok na si Acuña at si Perez for TIP.
Iba na to.
Ito na yung kanilang mga guest players. And si Coach wants to add more height para sa kanyang koponan.
Ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99. Guillermo going to Labiano at the back. Labiano off speed na isahan si Maderazo. Controlled na maglaro si Jolina, no?
Oo, hindi na yung palo lang, palo ng palo.
Inabot din kasi ito si Bolly, hindi ako kakamali.
Kaya naman talagang kung susundan mo ang yapak nun, lahat ng palo nun ay malakas. Kahit kontrolado, malakas.
Pati sa serve,
Bigay na bigay ang ano nun.
Maski match point, pareho lang. And look at this last sequence. This ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Hindi tayo magtataka kung ang storyline sa buong kabuuan na itong laron to ay puro ganito.
Yes. I wouldn't be surprised. At ngayon, ating mga guest players also contributing para sa TIP. When TIP lost to St. Benilde, itong si Acuña scored 12 points.
Oo. Leading scorer siya. Labiano. Unmarked pero hindi kumonekta. Good dig coming from Gretzel. Soltones. Backset Guillema. Dalisay attacking. Off-speed drop para dito sa TIP. Labiano with a drop. Verano. Down the middle. Labiano once again. Dug. Another good dig, this time by Soltones from the back. Papalo ang San Sebastian. Aba.
Ganda ng depensa.
Ang ganda ng balitan.
Yun ang walang depensa in between the two defenders dito sa TIP.
I was about to say, Sarmiento was doing a good job containing itong si Labiano, but eventually nahanapan ng donut itong si Labiano yung depensa.
Laki ng butas eh.
Oo, nung naitago nila si Sarmiento doon sa likuran. 4 for Baste, 4 for TIP. Double block, no problem for Acuña. Ang gaang niya tumalon, ano? Gaang.
Napakagaan. Well, she's very slim din naman.
Iba to mere. Konting tingkayad. Naka-ere na. If it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Arabe loves that.
And that's her version of... and everybody celebrating with her. Ganda ng timing dun sa huling upensang yun.
Villegas coming back in. Tinitignan ko yung second unit ng San Sebastian kung merong posibleng hugot eh. Verano, oops. Acuña adjusting. Tinaas yung bola. Dalawang isip sila Labiano. Guillermo buhay pa. Labiano, ito hindi na nagdalawang isip.
That one is out.
Ang sipag din ni Sarmiento, ano?
Oo, ang nagiging problema lang nila yung nag-over yung bola.
Yung control.
Control. Pero kung sa pagbasa at pagkilos ang pag-uusapan, masipag.
That serve was long. The moment that ball was tossed, makikita mo eh. Guest player Acuña for TIP. Ezime Acuña. From the back, pumalo si ang Baste. Ang bilis nung wind up ni Maderazo. You have a feeling that TIP is itching to tie this game at one set apiece. Alam nila kung anong nakalaan.
At mukhang alam din nila kung anong kailangan gawin.
At alam nila na sila ngayon ay lamang sa first technical timeout ng 2 puntos. 8-6. Masustain ba nila ito? Malalaman po natin yan sa ating pagbabalik. For our international schedule sa GMA News TV, check out this site. At para naman po sa update natin dito sa ating second set, ito na po si Miss Miyaka Lin.
Maraming salamat, Coach Ronnie. Bakit nga ba 0-2 itong San Sebastian? Sabi nga ni Coach Lin, malaking parte daw dyan yung kakulangan nila sa opensa bilang wala nga ang firepower nito ni Gretchen Soltones. Pero ang ini-expect nila mag-step up para sa kanila ay ito nga si Dalisay at si Labiano. Nakausap ko nga itong si Julina kanina, sabi niya she is up to the challenge. As a matter of fact, during their practices is nag-extra work daw siya. Most especially sa pagpapalakas ng kanyang wrist kasi alam niya yun daw ang weakness niya at makakatulong yun sa kanyang offense. Balik sa inyo.
At ang laki ng nilose sa poundage ni Jolina Labiano.
Oo, yan naman ang nadadala rin ng training
Extra
at
work.
Extra work.
Ako kasi extra rice.
Ako din extra rice.
Hindi
And
kaya.
ulam.
Ang payat mo eh.
And ulam.
Acuña committing that service error. 7 serving 9. Ito na yung hina-highlight kanina ni Miyaka. Si Jolina Labiano ang siyang primary scorer ngayon. They're missing at least 25 points from Gretchen Soltones at least, no? Kada laro.
Pero kung patuloy namang maiaangat ng San Sebastian yung kanilang laro, I'm sure itong si Gretchen lang, gusto lang niya, manalo rin sila. I mean, she can contribute
At least makalaro.
with defense. Makalaro man lang siya, pero yung mga teammates niya, kailangan talaga
Bumombat,
bumombat,
pumuntos.
mag-score.
KP on top by 3. Sinamban, difficult angle. And you have a feeling that ibang-ibang offense ng TIP ngayon second set.
Oo. At pati ang kanilang net defense. Yan ang bumabawi.
Oo.
At they're doing it in a very convincing fashion. This, I think, is the biggest lead that we've seen so
Saka
far.
team effort eh. Lahat.
Yan pa yung isa nating kadalasan nakikita. May magsi-step up ng dalawa, pero yung iba hindi. But in their case, it's everyone.
San Sebastian will get that call. 8 points for San Sebastian, 11 for TIP. As Guillermo prepares to serve for San Sebastian. Si Gretzel naka-basketball shoes, saan eh?
Ang daming
Dami
volleyball
nakaganyan,
na nakaganyan, oo.
Pero yung pang iba, naka-super high cuts eh. Backset ni Guillema. Para kay Dalisay. Their own version talking about TIP. Oops! Banggaan Blue si Gretzel. At si Dalisay. The official ball of the Shakey's V-League is of course Mikasa. The power hitter Layog serving para dito sa TIP. Oh, Arabe and Villegas love that play. This time it's Villegas delivering for the Stags.
At ang depensa ng TIP, kailangan nilang pumwesto ng tama, no? Because that time, lahat sila nakaabante.
Parang nasak in sila, no?
Oo. Mas madaling to move forward than to move back.
Ay, oo.
Punya, probably thinking to herself, ang swerte ko, pumasok yun.
Of course, this young lady is extremely talented, but she reminds me so much of Dana Henson.
Taller version.
Taller version, oh. Lakas ng katawan.
Despite the slim grip. Deceiving nga no? Pag,
Yung ano yan, yung mga short twitch muscles na tinatawag, eh, grabe. Grabe yung development. Sinamban off speed. Verano, ginawa ng paraan. Uy.
Overreaching. Sometimes you shouldn't be that eager.
Over-eager pa minsan,
Oo.
ano? Guillermo talking to Labiano, trying to plot this next point of attack. Ooh!
Umaatras na silang lahat at sumabit ang bola sa net.
Always important to be really good. But it always pays when you get lucky at times.
Sometimes yun ang okay.
Di ba, no?
Swerte.
Yung iba, hindi naniniwala sa swerte, pero laging meron eh.
Poor reception.
Ito na naman si Acuna. Nice cover coming from Gretzel Saltones. Labiano counters. Perez keeps it alive. Sarmiento with a free ball. Saltones, Guillema. Combination Labiano scores.
Labiano with 31% efficiency rate pagdating sa opensa.
Kapag mas mahalagang parte, Anis, isa na lang ang kanilang hinahabol.
They've been very steady pero yung mga error, yung pasulput-sulput na error na yan.
Sakit.
If you're San Sebastian, you're looking for your very first win. A 5-set win is good, but it's even better if you get it in straight sets.
That's correct. Yan din naman ang nasa isip ng TIP.
Oo.
A 5-set win is still good for them.
Pero nakikita mong parehong mas nagsisipag itong dalawang teams na ito.
Once again, it's a 3-point lead. Not really a commanding lead, but still enough cushion for TIP. Shika Espinosa. Nice sinker. Good save coming from Gretzel. Labiano from the back.
And in that case, ang layo na ni Labiano pero talagang hinataw pa rin niya.
Nanggigil si Jolina Labiano. And because of that, TIP will be ahead by 4 as we reach our second technical timeout. Back here, the Shakey's V-League social media sites to check out your favorite happenings sa ating pong mga V-League updates. Face of the game, Diana Marie de Guzman, 17 years old, mula sa Marikina City. Thank you for joining us dito sa laban ng San Sebastian kontra sa TIP. Arabe with another quick. Verano. TIP with a counter quick.
Bukas na bukas ang depensa ng San Sebastian. Corners are open.
Ultra Fast Bike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Saka iba rin ang lineup dito sa loob. ng TIP. Ibang-iba eh.
Oo, iba yung balik ng opensa, iba rin ang they're very scrappy at defense. Look at that.
Labiano covered once again by Sarmiento. Uy, nagawa ng paraan ni Dalisay.
Gulong sa net and that was in their favor.
Still 4 points behind is Nika Dalisay and the rest of the Stags. Saltones looks to encourage the rest of the Golden Stags. Sarmiento, nagkagawa ng bola ron. $14 for San Sebastian, 17 for TIP. San Sebastian lamang ng isang set, winning the first set 25-22. Verano.
Montik na. Alam mo, napapansin ko dito kay Gretchen, talagang acts as a leader on the floor.
Pagdiba naman tayo, huwag yung bibitawan. Di ba? Sa baba na yun eh. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, pagka-receive, sasakasi sa baba. Sa baba yung bola. Dapat huwag mo lang bintawan nyo. Di ba? Sa baba mo yung bola. Ha? Pagpesa natin, yung natin ba?
Nika Dalisay trying to salvage the second set for San Sebastian. They're putting pressure on TIP. 15 serving 17. Verano to Acuna. Blocked. Acuna tipping that ball in. Arabi with another quick. Verano once again will go to Acuna. Blocked once more. Palasa sa likod. Good dig by Bastek. Labiano. Scores off Perez.
Soltones, despite the fact that she's playing the libero position, is really displaying good leadership skills. Kinakausap niya lahat ng teammates niya, sinasabi niya kung saan pupwesto. And in fact, still delivers sa kanyang posisyon currently with a 50% efficiency rate pagdating sa pag-dig. And when it comes to reception at 33%.
Oh, look at that. Effort coming from Soltones. Labiano responds for Baste. Nagdalawang isip dito si Perez dahil kanina pa sila nakukubabawan sa net defense ng San Sebastian. 17-all second set. Kanina pa dyan sa service line si Nika Dalisay. But Verano stops the scoring drought. Very impressive dump coming from Verano.
So that opportunity. At pero ang maganda dito na idikit din ng San Sebastian yung kanilang score sa TIP.
Sabi ni Gretzel, sige, patayin mo. Patakunya delivers the killer blow for TIP. Time out si Coach Clint Malazo for Baste.
Sorry mo lang, matik mo lang, mapadaanan mo lang. Mapadaanan, sabi na papadaanan ko eh. Dalawa lang ha, receive lang natin na maayos.
Dalawa lang ha.
Nasa araw pa ba yung set?
Ay, nangangarap.
Kung bibigyan basta-basta eh. Wala naman sa timing yung bigay mo ng quick. Dalawa pa yung sumasagot.
San Sebastian still behind by 2 points. Let's see if Guillema will be able to steady the ship for the Lady Stags. Perez commits a service error.
Not a good time to do so.
Bakit ka na pailing, Ann?
Sayang ito yung mga hinahabol nilang puntos or gusto nilang makausad. Dahil yun nga, lamang ang San Sebastian ng isang set.
Kanina dun sa first set, itong unforced errors lamang ang nakita natin.
But it's when they committed it actually that
That matters.
that mattered eh.
Oh, good save by Villegas. Off speed galing kay Labiano.
Labiano trying to be very smart there with their offense. At hindi lang puro palo, ano, may variety, some off-speed shot there.
Hindi lang puro upak. Hindi lang puro hataw. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Encarnacion, the designated server. Verana with the back set. Acuña once again. Checked. Sarmiento was there para dun sa coverage. Heavily bandage pala yung right leg ni Sarmiento, ano?
Yes, oo nga.
Nainsinado tayo eh. Yung laro natin, kontrolado. Yung parang yung sa sarili natin eh. Yung lagi sa sarili natin. Hindi naman porque mahabol na yung kalaban mo. Dapat na maging tensionado. Kailangan maging mas relax ka. Para makapag-desisyon ka ng maayos, makalaro ka ng maayos eh. Diba? Yes, kaya. Matingyari sa mga
Let's go! VIP! Yes!
Coaches will normally have the same set of reminders. Yung delivery lang ando nagkakaiba.
Oo, yung
Diba?
tono, kung ano yung...
May mga iba kasi na nagtatanong, may mga iba naman na tinutuldo ka na agad yung sinasabi, at meron naman yung tandang pananong.
pero pag player ka, alam mo na, ibig sabihin ng coach mo.
Sa madaling salita,
Oo.
yan. Encarnacion, attacking Sarmiento. Binigyan si Layog, sinamba ni Rico take chance para sa Baste. Labiano with another drop. This time, Perez covers. Encarnacion, another good reception. Labiano. Oh, good save by Sarmiento. Too near the net. Blocked by Villegas.
Look at this, nag-e-enjoy na itong Lady Stags.
Ngayon ko nga lang nakita ang ngumiti si Catherine Villegas eh.
Nag-e-enjoy sila sa loob and why not? I mean, things are going well for them.
Ang counterpart kasi ng ngiti para sa akin, hindi si Mangot, kamot ng ulo. Oo. Ayan, mapapakamot ka ng ulo. Sayang yon para sa Baste. Regalong puntos binigay para dito sa TIP. Soltones will be at the forefront of the floor defense ng San Sebastian in the next few rallies. Acuña. Oh my!
Not gonna help them.
Isa sa part ng development at maturity ng mga players yung handling emotions, no? Yung mapapabagal mo yung pulso, yung kaba. Kasi nangyayari talaga yan eh.
Oo. Maraming factors din syempre. Nandiyan yung pressure, nandiyan yung
Pagod.
napagod.
Ang nagsasabing hindi sila kinakabahan ay hindi nagsasabi ng hindi sila kinakabahan. Pero kinakabahan lahat. If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. It's handling your emotions, it's checking your nerves, and channeling it to the right and positive energy.
Oo. Minsan madaling sabihin, pero pag ikaw
Ay,
yung
nako.
player din sa loob, no, ang hirap. And that's something that they learn to deal with over time.
And it happens to the best of the elite athletes. No, masasabi natin, madaling sabihin, madaling paalala. Pero minsan, maski alam mo na, nangyayari pa rin. Sarmiento, service reception. Sinamban, pumalo. Sinamban, itinulak ang Baste to have 3 set points laban sa TIP. Mabigat na turnaround ito, Ann.
And magandang paumpisa para dito sa San Sebastian, pero para sa TIP, may psychological ano rin to eh,
Oh.
dahil
Todo na to eh.
todo na ito at pinasok na nila yung kanilang mga guest players.
Ang ganda naman ng looping serve na yon. Oh my. Oh,
Pasok. Catches the line.
I thought that was a gamble para dito sa TIP. A gamble that paid off. Para dito kay Shika Espinosa. 3 set points earlier. 1 set point was saved. Ceasefire muna kay Coach Clint to try and freeze itong si Layu.
Sa harap mo na to, hindi Mariel na sa kwan. Kasi,
Yes, yes. 4 siya. Yes, yes.
kumuha ka ng blacket dito ha.
Yan, yan.
Tingnan mo. Don. Don, ha? Sige. Hindi mag-hard serve yan.
It's survival mode for the Lady Stags. And TAP is looking to decrease the deficit that they're looking at. Pero yung margin for error sa kanila nito ay gabuhok, gakuko, gapalito.
Tingnan natin. Ang isa pang mahirap dito ngayon, ang San Sebastian is on the offensive side. And that closes this set.
Soltones was the key to that last point para dun sa Baste. Very fine service reception enabling Villegas to finish up with another quick. And San Sebastian is now 2 sets ahead. Laban dito sa TIP. A team that led most of the way doon sa second set only to lose steam doon sa bandang dulo. Single block will not get the job done. At itong si Catherine Villegas, all smiles and why not? San Sebastian was 0-2 to start this game. Now looking poised to take their first win of this conference.